Hello guys. So today I am at Aru Bridals, which is in Lajpat Nagar, gate number 1, pillar number 7 के पास. So Aru Bridals एक ब्राइडल स्टूडियो है जिसके अंदर हमें फैब्रिक, ब्लाउज, साड़ी सब कुछ मिल जाता है. इनकी स्पेशलिटी इनके लहंगे हैं जो कि इमेंस क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी और वेराइटीज़ में आपको मिल जाएंगे फॉर एवरी फंक्शन. Even if you want to customize a lehenga, we have fabrics. So this video is specially oriented for fabrics. In this video, I am just gonna show you few of the varieties. They have a very few, limited ही दिखा पाऊंगी आपको, but one of the best fabrics available in the market out there. So let's start. So these are the two fabric options which I am showing you today. ये दोनों सेम ही पैटर्न में है, but the major difference is color as you can see. So this is block print, क्रेप फैब्रिक है ये, जो आप शादी के गेस्ट के थ्रू बनवा सकते हो फॉर द पिंक एंड फॉर द मेहंदी कलर. यू कैन गो फॉर दिस ऑप्शन एज अ ब्राइडल. ये फैब्रिक बहुत सुंदर है, इसके अंदर हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी हो रखी है and the prints and the colors are actually what trending out there. If you remember what Alia Bhatt wore is of the same color in her wedding, so it is just inspired by them only. This is one of the most beautiful fabrics they have. Two options हमने आपको दिखा दी for the same. So brides, this is the second option which I am showing to you. The second quality and the type of fabric. First fabrics I have told you, you can use them for their wedding. In mehendi functions and haldi function, this is specifically for your cocktail parties and bachelorettes before you getting married. Hey, do you remember what Priyanka Chopra wear on Desi Girl Dance? So this is kind of that fabric. इसके अंदर sequence है और the fabric is also very crepe type, which is very good for especially for sari or for lehenga. Wow guys, this is so beautiful, so shiny, so trending. So the next fabric is also very party wear guys. You can use it as guest as well, and if you are not that orthodox bride, you can wear a lehenga or a sari from this fabric. This is the Georgette साड़ी और fabric you can say, और इसके अंदर भी sequence है, different type of sequence making flowers, floral print, not even a print, floral design when it comes to embroidery. You can use it multiple ways and it is so reasonable, customizable, and you can make it whatever you wanted to do about it. Just come and check it out, saying it again and again because the fabrics are really fascinating and attracted. So yeah, wow guys, as you can see it is a flower जो कि sequence से बना हुआ है and it is so beautiful, can be used in multiple ways as I said, and it is so beautiful. मैंने cushion के ऊपर रखा हुआ है so that you can just glance it once very clearly कि how beautiful it is. So guys, this is the next segment which we are bringing in front of you. So it is crepe कपड़ा अलग से फिर से, and we can use it for lehengas as well. So the trend here in market is कि we are twinning with the daughters we have. So yeah, you can just buy this fabric once and twin with whosoever you want to be. जिस भी तरीके से कस्टमाइज कराना है अपना लहंगा करवाइए, अनारकली बनवाइए, सूट बनवाइए. दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल एंड ट्रेंडिंग डिज़ाइन एंड यू नो फैब्रिक. द फैब्रिक क्वालिटी इज़ गुड ऑल्सो. इट इज़ नॉट वेरी ईजी टू फ्लो, वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फैब्रिक है ये. व्हेन इट कम्स टू टर्न आउट ईजिली जाएगा नहीं, अच्छे से बन गए इनफैक्ट, तो यू आर गोना बी प्रेज्ड इन द मार्केट फॉर श्योर. The second fabric of the same segment which I was discussing earlier is this. So this is on lighter print. Fabric is again crepe. The print is again that zari and flower print. फिर से इसमें डोली बारात का काम है and it is more of a lighter tone. The pastel brides, you can definitely come here and check it out. Check it out, glance it once, have some ideas, build it on your own and wear the best outfit of the season. The third fabric of the same segment comes this. So this is a mehendi green color fabric. इसके अंदर भी जरी का काम है as I said. इसमें भी डोली बारात का काम है in border as I said, and it has flowers in it with sequence, different sort of sequence. ऑल्सो इट इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लाइट वेटेड फैब्रिक जो बहुत भारी नहीं है, बट इट सीम्स सो हैवी दैट अ ब्राइड कैन वेयर इट एज इट ऑन. दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल fabric. Just come here, Aru Bridals, gate number 1 metro station, pillar number 7, and just have a glance. आओ एक बार देखो, check it out guys before selecting the outfit you are gonna wear on your special day. Okay, so the pastel brights, this color is for you. People who don't like that chatak mitak wale colors, this is for them only. It has teal in it, it has rust color on it, it has a different design, a very unique, a very trendy. इसके अंदर भी जरी का काम हो रखा है. The cloth again is also of crepe and it has different layers. So you can just come and just glance it and have a check it on before selecting the outfit you are gonna wear on a special day. As इसका coat set भी बहुत सुंदर बनेंगे guys. The border it has is very beautiful, is very unique, and you gonna be appreciated in each of the function you're gonna go. Okay, so the next segment, completing the previous one, this segment is of whites which can be dyed in any of the color you want, lavender, golden, whichever color you want, it can be dyeable. और इसका अगर print देखा जाए तो it doesn't have any print, it is. So guys, this is the second fabric of the same segment, again of white color, again golden, but so unique and so different from previous. आप देखिए इसको, इट फाइंड सिमिलर बट व्हेन बारीकी से देखा जाए तो समझ में आएगा कि इट इज़ सो डिफरेंट. इसके अंदर जरी का काम है, इसके अंदर सीक्वेंस लगा हुआ है. द प्रिंट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, द एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड प्रिंट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. द बॉर्डर इज़ एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटिफुल and which can be used in multiple ways, as I said, lehenga, anarkali, court sets, dress, sarees, all those things, and people who are running their boutique. So this is the next fabric guys, which can be used for sherwani, for grooms, anarkali for women's, and lehenga. डाइएबल कलर है, बहुत सुंदर एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, इसके अंदर जरी का काम है, सीक्वेंस है, शाइन है, and बहुत quality, good quality cloth which can be used in multiple ways. As I said, few of them. Cord set double Y है इसका, which is very beautiful and trendy. Otherwise guys, this is a very beautiful